Tatcha Deep Cleanse and the water cream to cleanse and moisturize my skin. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Oh, really? Classic. Classic! You don't need a lot of this stuff, guys. I'm gonna use this colored powder to set my primer. Bam! Okay, girl. Yes, I'm trying to literally use up the rest of this. This is the Maybelline Dream Mousse foundation. And I just like to dot it like everywhere. A couple drops of some hyaluronic acid to help blend that out. We're gonna go in with a sponge to help smoothen all of this out. I like to mix the Makeup Revolution in C13 and C12. Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. We're not looking that bad, but could be better. Could be a lot better, actually. Just had it right under. Yeah. Just make sure it doesn't get in your nose, eyebrows. We can live with it. That's enough time on the brows. Now I'm gonna go into this eyeshadow palette right here. All of the shades on the bottom. Contour a little bit more. A little chisel. These two colors for blush. Who doesn't like blush? I'm going on a date. You heard it right. I'm just joking, guys. I'm not going on a date. Gotcha. Shoutouts to Gerard Cosmetics for sending me all their sprays. Okay, now we can highlight. Never forget to keep its bow. Okay, so now I'm going to take the powder and I'm going to cut my cheekbone. Why y'all ain't tell me I had stuff on my chest? Moisturize and add my Fenty Beauty. That's it. Okay, so this is the finished look, y'all. Let me go change my clothes. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So those are a few of my beauty secrets. Alright, guys. See you on the next one. Oh, wait. This lighting was cuter. Should have filmed in this shit. Okay, so see you, so.